Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves and we have a wonderful new offering here on Lake Lanier. We are the new premier and future premier on Lake Lanier. So we'd love to help you with any questions you have, service your current boat, or get you into a new one. So as we walk through this boat, you will see this is the 25-foot Solaris, and there is a bunch of new upgrades for the 2024 model. First one is, as I'm standing on it, you can notice the door to the center tune is about 80% wider, and the amount of storage is up to 280% wider and more capacity than any other Premier that they've had in the past. Up here in the bow, you'll have plenty of nice new seating. The speakers have been moved up into the backrest, which will give you audio that's pointed up to your ears instead of your feet. So when you're hearing it, it comes through a little bit clearer. There's less things that it has to get through to get to your head. Here at the helm, all of them will come standard with the raised helm. This one has the bolstered seats to allow you to get a little bit more platform. We have equipped this with a 7-inch SIMRAD to give you all of your GPS mapping and depth finding. Mercury digital switch, horn, navigation lights, interior courtesy lights, and a power top that is now standard across the Premier lineup. This has the dual capstan chair, so you and your co-pilot can sit very close to each other and on the same level versus having different backrest. And here in the back is the very popular Sunlounger. So right now we have it configured where forward and back can have two separate seatings. There's a couple settings where if you wanted to have this as a lounge setup, you can lower this all the way down. And then the last setting is where both are flat. You have plenty of lounge space for some very tall adults and probably 2 or 3 wide. You will have some safety chains that do close here in the back to allow you to have a nice transom on this boat and plenty of space. We'd love to show you this boat and talk about any of the other Premiers that you've had your eye on. So if you have a chance, give us a call on the link below. My name is Quinn Seagraves and we'd love to help.